When you make an improvement to your home, you want the best quality and you want it to last. So today I'm here with Tyler Field from BVI Solar, powered by CertainTeed, talking all about the differences in solar warranties and what you need to know. So thanks for being with me.
Thank you for having me.
What is it about the warranty that affects the actual lifespan of your solar system?
So solar is one of the largest purchases you're going to make aside from your actual home. And so unlike purchasing a car, for instance, where that warranty might be covered by that manufacturer and cover the life of the car, solar could last 20, 30, 40 years. And a lot of times that warranty is separated by the individual components and might not last that entire term.
I think that's probably something a lot of people out there don't know, that there are multiple warranties essentially for your solar system when you go solar. How do they compare and make sure that they're getting so that they know what is covered by each warranty?
So it's very important to ask the right questions during the sales process. Ask what's entailed in that warranty. Does it cover all the components as a whole or on an individual basis? A lot of times consumers think by going with a certain brand or a big box retailer, they're getting the best warranty out there, but that's not always the case. And so it's, again, very important to ask the right questions, figure out what is entailed in that labor warranty. Does it include all the right components, or are you going to be stuck holding the bag 10 years from now?
Which we don't want to have anyone set up for that situation. So speaking of the best warranty in the industry, it's really what BVI can offer with your backstop by CertainTeed. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so BVI is a fairly new company in the business, but though we've been doing solar for a very long time. But we did partner up with CertainTeed with the idea of being able to offer consumers the best warranty out there, a 25-year bumper-to-bumper warranty that includes the equipment, all the components, the labor workmanship, and the roof penetrations. And the reason that's really valuable is because CertainTeed's a 115-year-old company. And so if BVI ends up winning the lottery and retiring early, then CertainTeed will still be covering that consumer for the full 25 years. That's very different than most warranties out there by contractors, where that warranty is contingent on that contractor staying in business for the whole term.
So it's really important to you guys to work with that company that is going to stand behind you and really put the consumers first and just quickly value what they have to offer.
Exactly. It's all about the value you're getting for your money.
Thank you so much. Go solar with a company that has a great warranty and is going to stick around.